Hello and welcome to this new video on how to archive previous chat on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of its choice. Now you just need to look in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT will be open right in front of you. And when the ChatGPT interface is opened, you just have to look in the left hand side and there will be previous chats that you have done. So it will also say the time, that is, firstly it says previously 7 days and 30 days ago of the month as well. So in order to archive the previous chat, you just need to hover around in the chat that you have previously done, and in the right side of the chat there will be a 3-dot icon. You just have to click on it, and as you can see, a pop-up box will be opened right in front of you. And in the second last option, there is archive. You can just click on the archive and your previous chat will be archived. So this is how you can easily archive previous chat and ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.